Are you ready for some music that is out of this world? Well, prepare to blast off with the D-Sticker Ensemble.
Stand up straight and tip your hat. Walk out the door and don't look back.
Prepare for the most amazing recordings you've ever heard.
The cat came back without his hat. He lost it when he did the splat.
Listen as this young and vital group explore new regions of the musical universe. The D-Sticker Ensemble has worked diligently to guarantee that the sound of Sticker will absolutely blow your mind.
When I was a child, I was baptized. The devil in me died.
Haunting melodies that will live forever. Listen to D-Sticker put his true feelings into every song he plays. Soothing instrumentals that you'll always love.
And I just can't help believing when she's lying close beside me. My heart beats with the rhythm of her sigh.
Yes, here is all the magic of the D-Sticker Ensemble.
This time the girl is gonna stay. This time the girl is gonna stay for more than just a day.
This album is available at an amazingly low price on CD, vinyl, and digital download. When you order the deluxe vinyl package, it includes everything you see here, including a bonus 7-inch mystery disc of music that we can't reveal here. But here's a little hint.
Is that a culmination, locking all your secrets in a dream? Is that a time that had its way with all the world on easily?
Here's how to order. Go to www.dstickerensemble.com to order your copy of The Sound of Sticker. Be sure to act now if you want to get the limited edition red vinyl package. Again, go to dstickerensemble.com right now to get The Sound of Sticker. Order yours today.